Google Ads and Instagram Ads are two powerful digital advertising platforms, but they serve different purposes and work best for different types of businesses. Choosing the right one depends on your target audience, ad format preferences, and marketing goals. Google Ads is a search-based advertising platform, meaning your ads appear when users actively search for specific keywords on Google. This makes it ideal for businesses targeting customers with high intent, such as people searching for best running shoes or affordable car insurance. Google Ads also includes display ads, YouTube ads, and shopping ads, offering multiple ways to reach users. One of the biggest advantages of Google Ads is its ability to capture users right when they are looking for a product or service, increasing the chances of conversions. However, competition for keywords can be expensive, and the cost per click (CPC) can be high, especially in competitive industries. Instagram Ads, on the other hand, is a visual-based platform that integrates seamlessly with users' feeds and stories. Instead of targeting users based on search intent, Instagram Ads use demographic and interest-based targeting to show ads to users who might be interested in a product or service. This makes Instagram ideal for brand awareness, influencer marketing, and highly visual products such as fashion, beauty, travel, and lifestyle brands. The cost per click is often lower than Google Ads, and Instagram's engagement rates are higher. However, since Instagram users are not actively searching for products, conversions may be lower compared to Google Ads. Now, let's compare them side by side. Intent and audience targeting. Google Ads reaches users when they are actively searching for something, leading to higher conversion rates. Instagram Ads rely on interest-based targeting, meaning users may not be looking to buy immediately. If you want to capture ready-to-buy customers, Google Ads wins. Ad formats and engagement. Instagram's visual format, including stories, reels, and in-feed ads, makes it highly engaging, especially for younger audiences. Google Ads offers search ads, display ads, and video ads, but they are less interactive. If you have a visually appealing product, Instagram Ads work better. Cost and competition. Google Ads can be expensive, especially for high-demand keywords, but it can also drive high-quality traffic. Instagram Ads typically have a lower CPC, making them more budget-friendly for brand awareness campaigns. If cost is a major concern, Instagram Ads may be a better option. Best for business types. Google Ads is best for businesses selling services or products with clear search demand, like e-commerce stores, SaaS companies, and local businesses. Instagram Ads work better for brands that rely on visuals and storytelling, such as fashion, beauty, fitness, and food businesses. So which one is the better choice? If you want immediate conversions from users actively searching for your product, Google Ads is the best option. But if you want to build brand awareness and engage users through visuals, Instagram Ads is the smarter choice. The best option depends on your industry, budget, and marketing goals.